Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Miss Wang back with another video for you guys. In today's video guys, I'll be doing a first impression, an unboxing, and a review of a wig unit that was sent to me by a company by the name of Miss Lee here. So I want to thank them for being so kind to send me this unit. Now it's a bang unit and I particularly love bang units. Now if you hear a knocking, it's some contractors working outside, so that is totally out of my control. So let's get ahead with the video and be quick with it. All right, so this is a first impression and this is the first that I'm doing a first impression on a wig. I've always been tempted to open my packages and like see what is inside of it, but I literally got this package last night. I only opened it to see that it's actually the hair that is in there, and it actually is the hair, and that is all. So we'll be seeing at the same time just what this is made up of. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm thinking that the camera is a little bit too high. I hope it's not. I hope that you're seeing me clearly. Now while doing my makeup, I kind of messed my teeth up, but that's just some small patches. So sorry, I took it out the bag. So this is what it comes in, guys. This is the bag that it comes in, and it says love your hair, show your beauty, high quality unprocessed human hair. Guys, so I like the fact that they actually took the time to put it in another bag, because sometimes you do know that your wigs or your packages, they do come in only this bag. All right, so it comes with a pair of 3D eyelashes, and those are the lashes, and this is the back portion of the packaging. Now these look like some very fun lashes. These look like some party lashes to me, so we'll try them at another time. But let's move on to the wig unit, guys. All right, so as I said, it's a bang unit. It is 14 inches and it is deep wave. All right, so it says the 14 inches here. I do wish something, so these fell out of the packages. So it comes with these combs. They're unattached. Usually they come with the combs attached. So it comes with this on the inside, and yes. All right, so it really does feel good. You know, this wig is under $50. So when I thought that it wouldn't be human hair, but it would be probably like mixed fiber, but this is human unprocessed hair, as the packaging said. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. So it is actually unprocessed, guys. It really does feel good. As you can see, my fingers are going straight through this. There is no knot, there's no kinks, there is no, like, it is just feeling very good. Now for me, I wish it would have had a little bit more curls in it, or that is what I was thinking. But you already know waves are not a lot of curls. Now if the hair says curly, then that's when you're expecting for the hair or for the unit to have a lot of curls. But if it says waves, then literally expect to see waves in the unit. All right, so this is deep wave. I think I'll put all the information for the hair down in the description. I'll put the link to the store or to this wig unit in the description, so remember to check that description for the link to this hair, guys. Now are you okay? Are you satisfied enough with me showing you the hair before I actually install the unit? All right, let me show you the inside. Matter of fact, let me show you the sealing of the wig here, because this is one very this is one serious part. Like, if this part is not sealed properly, then you know it can throw the whole wig off. It can throw the whole styling of the wig off. It can throw the whole just how the wig look on your head. It can throw all of that off if this part is not flat enough and if it is not sealed properly. So this is sealed properly. I'll give that to them. And the bang, it does look long enough. I wish I had my curling iron on hand to like style it, like to give it some pressure, to straighten it, for it to look a little bit fresher when I put it on. But if we do, then I will let you know. Now let me stop with the talking. I'm going to show you the inside and then I'm going to put it right on. All right, so this is what the inside of the wig looks like, and these are the combs All right, so it does have this as well, the strap, the elastic strap, and I do like that for my wigs. Now let's put the wig on. I am gonna tighten right here because I always tighten my wigs before I put them on. So we just snap it in that right there. All right. Now I do have my edges done, guys, already, and that is not for the purpose of this wig. That is for a headband wig that I just tried. So guys, look out for that video because I'll actually be dropping this one before that one. So do look out for a headband wig video. All right, so all right, so this, guys, let me tell you something about the bang wig unit. It is very beginner friendly. It is very easy to install. I love wigs like this, especially for work, where I can just put it on and go. Now the bang is way too long, as you can see. So you have two options. You can either pull the wig back, but you have to be careful because you don't want for this part to be too far back, but you can pull it back, or you can go ahead and clip some parts off of the bang. All right, so let me go and just brush the hair out. And that is what it looks like, but I'm not liking it like this. It is too long. Even though I pulled it back, I am gonna go ahead and flat iron it. I am gonna go ahead and like shorten the bang a little bit. It is too long, it's blinding me. So let's go ahead and do that. And if you don't really know how to cut the bang, you can always push it to the side and wear it like in other styles. But I'm gonna show you how I cut my bang. All right, I think I'm gonna revive the curls a little bit by giving it some curls from my flat iron. But let's go ahead and take a little bit off of the bang. So I'm just gonna take my razor and hold it and just take a little bit off of it right there. Not too much at a time. All right, so that's much better. I'm gonna take a little bit off of this side as well. And there we go. All right, I'm gonna take my flat iron now and I'm gonna flat iron the bang as well as give the hair a little bit of curls. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that on camera, but this is what the wig would look like taking it out of the box. All right, I'm fine with it, just I want to give the curls a little bit more, liven the curls a little bit more. So just hold on one minute. All right guys, so this is how the wig is looking after flat ironing the front, and I did just a little bit of curls to the unit because I didn't want to spoil the curl patterns that are there, because as you know, it is a deep wave here. When I use the flat iron, it's gonna give it a totally different type of curl like you are seeing right here. All right, so I didn't want to spoil all of that, so I didn't do too much flat ironing. Now guys, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the wig. It is, as I said initially, it is 14-inch. It is deep wave. It is unprocessed. It feels really good. That is my impression of the wig, and trust me guys, you can trust me when I tell you the wig, it does feel good. It is light. It is not heavy on the head. I'm not sure if I have the information on the density here. I'm not sure if it's 150%, but as I said, I'll put the information down in the description. And if you have any questions on the unit, then feel free to ask me in the comments or on whatever platform you might catch me on. But guys, let me go ahead and tell you that if you are a lover of a bang wig unit, go ahead and purchase this one. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna be straight up. When they reached out to me and tell me that it's a 14-inch bang wig unit and it's under $50, immediately what came to my head is that it is synthetic. Since I have already done some reviews on some synthetic wig units, I thought that this was another one, and yeah, that's what I was thinking, that it would be a synthetic unit. But I was impressed. I was surprised when I opened the package just now and realized that it definitely does feel really good, and it's definitely not synthetic. All right, so this is my review for you guys. I hope I didn't leave anything out that you would have wanted to know, and as I said, if I did, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Let me hear it. I'll definitely answer you guys. But this is where I end this video off. Thank you so much for watching. Team Wang Fang, don't forget to like. What am I saying? Team Wang Fam, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. We're on the road to 2K, and the only way that we'll get to 2K is if you go ahead and share those videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching. On the end screen or here on the video now, you'll be seeing some videos. I am gonna put in my curly bang wig unit video for you to watch, just in case you are interested in bang wig units. That's another unit that I did. That's another video that I did on a bang wig unit. So if you want to see that, then click on it and go ahead and watch it. Remember to look out also for my headband wig video coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, guys.